Golly.
And this is us running away from those big giant clouds.
You guys are sweat over us!
Oh my God.
Come on, Amy, come on.
Go!
Come on.
We got it!
What is this other tornado chasing us? Emmy, grab on
What
me.
a zombie! It's the zombie apocalypse!
This is weird. Okay, I'm gonna have to video this.
You guys, it's getting darker!
Look, this is a storm. I have no clue if it's a tornado, but it's pretty dark. It's darker than this that you see. Oh my gosh, Maddie, look over there.
It is like pitch black.
No, Maddie, look. You can see a tornado forming. Look, see? It's weird. Let's go, come on.
Come on.
And now this is us running away from the storm.
Hot air and the cold air chasing each other around. Come on.
Okay. Emmy, I got you. Not gonna let Emmy.
I'm putting this video on YouTube.
I am too. Oh my God, go!
Oh no, this is us running away from the big storm.
Lightning attracts.
Oh my God!